You ever check your account and say to yourself, how my money finished so fast? And I just got paid. You're working every week. You're not lazy. You're not wasting money on big things. But somehow the money just disappears. Lunch every day, taxi or bus, a few small stops here and there. Nothing feels expensive in the moment, but at the end of the month, you're broke again. That's the frustrating part. Here's what most people miss: your money's not disappearing, it's leaking. And it's leaking because of how it's set up. Right now, everything in one place: bills, food, transport, spending, all mixed together. So every time you spend, you don't really know what you're using. You just swipe and move on. Mistake number one: you treat daily spending like it's small. $1,200 for lunch, $800 for transport, and $500 for snacks. That's about $2,500 per day. Multiply that by 5 days. That's $12,500 per week. Over a month, that's $50,000 plus gone just on daily movement. And most people never calculate it. Mistake number two: you spend first, then try to save what's left. The problem? There's usually nothing left. Saving becomes something you intend to do, not something that actually happens. Mistake number three: everything comes from one account: bills, food, transport, entertainment, all pulling from the same place. So you can't see what's going wrong. You just feel broke. You don't need more money first. You need control. Start simple. When your salary comes in, don't treat it like one pile. Break it immediately. Step one: know your real spending. Don't guess. Track your daily spending for a few days. Just write it down: lunch, transport, extras. You'll start seeing the pattern fast. Step two: separate your money early. As soon as you get paid, split your money. Bills, living to include food and transport, and personal. Same idea, because once everything mix, you lose control. Step three: give yourself a weekly limit. Take your living money and break it into weeks. Now, instead of guessing, you know, this is what I have for the week. Step four: make daily decisions count. Now, when you spend, you feel it. Let's say you earn $120,000 per month. After bills, you might have $40,000 for spending. Instead of using it freely, break it into $10,000 per week. Now your daily choices change. That's $1,200 lunch hits different because you know your weekly limit. That's where control starts. If you don't have a simple way to split your salary like this, money will always feel like it's disappearing. If you supervise people, you probably notice how financial stress shows up strongest right after payday. So here's what's really happening: your money not disappearing, it's leaking through daily spending, and everything is mixed together. The fix: separate your money, control it weekly, pay attention to daily spending. That's how you take back control. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to split your salary the smart way using a simple Jamaican method. Because once you set that up properly, everything becomes easier. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.